Can GPT replace coders doing development? No, it's at best a tool. Such a program isn't planning software, nor does it think. It is answering queries, and furthermore, it lacks the ability to check its own results with 100% certainty. That means you can't blindly trust it. You aren't being given a proof that results are correct. Such things do not work well in a domain where you need exact specificity. Being slightly wrong is being wrong, and can create a lot of frustration. One needs to be careful blindly trusting something that provides no proof for you. It is providing correct results in a domain where correctness matters, usually most times. The point I'm getting at is the tool is only as reliable as the person wielding it is, as who's going to check it. It raises serious concerns when somebody slaps together code they themselves don't have any understanding of what it does, then wants to assure a client it does what is claimed. That's kind of the point of having a software professional. Somebody that can write code that is competently designed and will function as desired by both the developer and the client. I see the tool at best as a tool for suggestions of how to proceed. It's not a replacement for correctness of those ideas. This should be unsurprising.